Content is king, but why? Affiliate marketers need to create quality content to convert visitors into buyers. But why do you need to create content? Hi, I'm Shubhamjeet, and in the ninth over of the Affiliate Marketing T20 series, I will tell you why you need to create content for affiliate marketing. So, before I jump in, I'd request you to subscribe to the channel and click that notification bell so you do not miss on any updates from me. Okay, so let's jump in and see the reasons why you need to create content for affiliate marketing. There are 7 reasons why you need to create content for affiliate marketing. Okay, these 7 reasons are based on my experience, and I don't think you'll get these 7 reasons anywhere else. Okay, so the first reason is to educate your readers or your audience. Let me tell you something. In 2024, prospects have become smarter. They research products before buying or before investing in them. Okay, so if you create something that is run of the mill, that is ordinary and low quality, your audience will sense it and they will never buy from you. Okay, so the first thing you need to do is to educate your audience. Okay, buyers nowadays are educated buyers. Okay, they are educated buyers, so you need to give them what they want. Let's say you are promoting a belly fat loss product. Okay, so you need to tell your audience what builds belly fat, effects of belly fat, harmful effects of belly fat, how they can lose it. Can they lose it with exercise? Can they lose it with a diet? Can they lose it with intermittent fasting, and so on? And then you can place your product as a solution to their problems. Okay, so I always say this: your product must be a solution. Okay, people do not want more products, they want solution, they want a better life. Okay, so create content in a way that addresses the challenges, pain points, and then desires and goals and steps of how they can achieve their goals. Okay, so your product must be a solution to them. Okay, the second reason why you need to create content is to build authority. Again, I'll continue with the fat loss example. If you help people lose belly fat, and let's say you cover everything there is to know about fat loss, you will become an authority on that topic. And when you become an authority, people will come back to you for more. So when your audience struggles with belly fat, they will come back to you, go through your content, and I'm sure if you have covered everything there is to cover about fat loss, they will find it, go through your content, implement it, get results, and come back for more. Okay, then you become a go-to resource. As I said, when you cover everything on a particular topic, people come back for more. Okay, let's say you help people to become better at English speaking. Okay, so if you cover everything, if people discover you and see that you have everything there is to know about English fluency, they will come back to you with more doubts and queries. Okay, let's say in one video you cover tongue twisters to improve pronunciation, then they will come back for probably exercises to improve pronunciation, and so on. Okay, so when you go in depth on a particular topic, your audience wants more and they will come back for more. So if you can give what they want, if you can give them what they want, you become a go-to resource. Okay, now the fourth reason why you must create content for promoting your affiliate products is to convert visitors into buyers. When you create content and you cover everything, coming back to that fat loss example, if you cover what causes belly fat, harmful effects of belly fat, how to lose belly fat through exercise, diet, intermittent fasting, and then you give a link to your affiliate product as a solution. If you have provided value within your content, they will click and become your customers. Okay, and you will make commissions. So the aim of creating content is to convert readers or visitors into buyers, and that is only possible when you create quality content. Okay, if you think you'll use ChatGPT to create content, yes, it will help, but when you create content, it should come from within you. Create content from ChatGPT, but give it your own tweak. Let's say you go to ChatGPT, create content. Before publishing or before sharing, go through the content, make changes as you will talk. Okay, make those paragraphs from robotic to giving it your own flavor. Okay, so give your content a tweak, and when people see your personality in your content, and to create content that has your personality, you should be passionate about that topic. Okay, so inside my community, I always tell my students to choose a product or choose a niche that you are passionate about, because when you're passionate, you give your 200% to create content and to provide value to your audience, isn't it? So to convert visitors into buyers, you should create content that answers everything about a particular topic. Okay. Now, the fifth reason why you need to create content is to solve problems of your audience. Let's say you help people uh, build more muscles. Okay. So the problem your target audience is facing, probably they are skinny, probably they want to look better, probably they have self-image issues, and so on, right? So when you create content that solves their problems, your readers inside their mind think, this person really cares for me, he has everything that I want. So when you solve problems, it builds your brand, it builds a reputation, it builds your authority, and people come back for more. When you solve problems, when you help people, they will come back with other problems related to your topic. Okay. And the sixth reason is to help your audience. As content creator, as a content creator for promoting your affiliate products, your aim should be to help your audience. Your audience is suffering from a problem, and only you can solve it through your content. So give your 100%. If content creation feels like a laborious task, think of it as a service. Think of it as a way to help your audience. And when you think of content creation as a way to help, you will give it your all. And believe me, when I started affiliate marketing, content creation was a big back-breaking task for me. But when I shifted my mindset, when I shifted the focus from myself to my audience, I started enjoying the content creation process. Okay, so help your audience solve their problems, help them achieve their goals, and when you do it, they will buy from you. And the seventh reason why you must create content for affiliate marketing is you build a brand, and that too a memorable brand. If you do everything I shared in these 6 points, you will become a memorable brand. Right? Now we talk about Patanjali when we talk about organic products. We talk about Sachin Tendulkar when it comes to cricket. We talk about probably Amitabh Bachchan sir, Shah Rukh Khan sir when it comes to acting. Okay, so when it comes to your topic, if you have these 6 things in your content, you will become a memorable brand, a brand that people go to for help, to get solutions, and probably to buy. So these were the 7 reasons why you should create content. And one more thing I'd like to add is, when you create content that helps your audience, you become their savior. Okay, and as per my research, the biggest brands of the world are great at taking care of their audience. They develop, they provide what their audience wants. Okay, so if you think content creation is a back-breaking task, shift the spotlight to your audience. Think about how you can help them. Look, you have the skills, you have the knowledge, you have experience, you are an expert in your field. But when you really think of creating content as a way of helping your audience, as a way of serving them, your content creation goes to a different level. Okay, you give it your all, you write from your soul, you create content from your soul. Okay, and that's why content is still king, because it helps. I've shared the 7 reasons why content is still king. So please create content that helps your audience, solves their problems, and helps them achieve their goals. Okay, and I want to end this video by asking a question. Do you want to make 1 lakh rupees per month from affiliate marketing? If yes, do you want to sell once and earn repeatedly? Inside my community, I will share a list of products that you can sell once and earn over and over until your customers renew their subscription. If yes, I'd request you to join my community by clicking the link in the description. I've also pinned the link in the first comment. You can click the link, enroll now, and start learning. And I will do my best to help you achieve this goal, the goal of making 1 lakh per month by selling once and earning over and over. Okay? So that's about this video. 9 overs are done, 11 more to go. And if you are enjoying the affiliate marketing T20 series, please share your takeaway in the comments box. Give every video a thumbs up, share it with people who need help with affiliate marketing. And I'd request you to subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell so you don't miss on any updates from myself. So that's about this video. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.